Alrighty then, this is part 2 of the video. Why did I return the Gigabyte GPU? I'm gonna go into full details. This one is not gonna be a longer video. You guys don't have to sit around and really watch the whole thing because it's gonna be real short. The reason why I returned back the Gigabyte graphics card is because the simple fact is I had too many problems. I'm running into issues right now with my PC. I brought an i7 14700K. I'm running into issues with some crap with this whole watchdog error crap that's constantly keep happening. It happens like when I let my computer go idle. So I've been, with the last few days, undervoting my CPU, undervoting everything. Might have to buy a new motherboard. I don't know what I'm about to do, but I've been changing settings. Went towards CPU stat limitations. Changed that up. Changed my settings from L2, L1, L2. Changed it from 253 from auto. Put it to 253. Had to go inside. Change. It's just so many things I had to keep changing up. And literally right now I'm testing it up because I don't know what's going on with my CPU. I don't know if it's because that this AIO that I have is not seated correctly. When I'm looking at my temps right now is like 50, 57, which I do know the i7 14700K. I know the 13 and 14 gen CPUs always run into problems. That's why I was kind of like worried about buying it, but because I was getting GPU limitations using my 5070Ti OC, I was limited with games, and it wasn't pulling as much as I need, especially if it was CPU heavy on it. That was basically some of the problems. But I was using the Gigabyte software, which is GCC, and I kept getting crashes and stuff like that. Also, I couldn't really customize my GPU like I wanted to, and that was just the problems. Like, I was looking at it and I was just like, wasn't satisfied with it. It's just like I couldn't customize nothing. I couldn't do nothing. It was like very limited of what I can do. Like, I tried to change like one part of the fan LEDs to another fan. I had to go to a certain one and just have it like scroll across. I didn't like that. Or if I wanted to try to do like a double one, I had to go into like static or breathing effect. I didn't like that. So I got rid of it, returned it back, and that's been a whole issue with me getting banned on Best Buy website for something I did not do. I returned back an item, I purchased another item. They canceled it out for whatever system glitch ever that was happening, and so on, so on. I mean, it's more towards the other story that I didn't even really talk about, because the simple fact is I just filed the lawsuit. I didn't want that video to be too long, but there's other things that me and the supervisor talked about, which he's trying to get that thing situated. So yeah. Other than that, it's really not much, but I'm not going to keep you guys up on this one. I don't want this video to be too long. This is just a fast video telling you guys why I got rid of that Gigabyte GPU. But my next video may be a little bit longer. You guys might want to watch it because I am giving away a copy of Resident Evil Requiem. So that is going to be in a later video. That's going to be in my video after the next one, and I'm going to be telling you guys how you can actually get the copy. You guys need to watch it because I only have like a couple of days for you guys. You guys need to like redeem it before then. So yeah, it's a free game, first come first serve. I don't know if I'm gonna do first come first serve, whatever like that, but we're gonna figure something out. All right, let's get to the next part of the video. I'm gonna cut this one off right now, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.